This video will introduce you to the features of Wearbuds watch. Let's take a look at what accessories are available. Plug the TWS headset into the bracelet to charge it. Charging cable for the bracelet. Charging with magnetic contact. First time you use it, first charge the watch and turn it on. Successfully switched on, showing that it is charging. The first thing you see is the beautiful dial. Long press to enter the switch. There are 5 built-in dials in total. Scroll down to access the shortcut menu. Find your phone, set up your bracelet, information about your bracelet, music control and brightness adjustment. There are 3 levels of brightness adjustment. Swipe left or right to go to different function pages. View current steps and heart rate. High precision sensor on the back. You can check the quality of your sleep from the previous night. Exercise can also be switched on at the bracelet. Running, cycling, badminton and hiking modes are available. Tap to start a running workout. Swipe right to pause the workout and choose to continue or end it. Message alert history. Swipe up to see more features. Find your phone, it will ring when you enter. Countdown page with several built-in times. You can customize the length of time. Stopwatch page. You can record lap times. Weather page, which shows the temperature for the day. Oximetry page, which shows the last result and automatically starts the measurement. Bracelet settings screen. Bracelet information page, with information such as version. Message notification font size setting. The watch display direction, which needs to be switched if you change hands. Reset the watch, all data and settings will be cleared. Restart the watch. Turn off the watch. Now start connecting to the app. Download the Wearbuds app from the App Store and install it. The first time you run it, you need to authorize the location and storage permissions. Select your preferred language. Read and agree to the terms and conditions. Register a new account. Enter your email and password. Click on Next Step. Configure personal information. Register successfully and enter the main page. Information page with all power-related information. You can like and comment. Swipe left to view Power's various social media accounts. Click on the top to enter the app settings screen. You can change your information and configure the app. User information interface. You can modify some personal information. Account binding. You can use third-party logging directly after binding. Modify your personal information. My Devices page. Add Wearbuds Watch to the app. Select Wearbuds Watch. Select the device and click on Bind. After successful tethering, you will be taken to the main page. Agree to be added to the whitelist, and to turn on the message push function. Go to the System Notification Permission screen and check Wearbuds. Save. Tethered to Google Fit, and your exercise history will be automatically synced to Google Fit. Go to the main device page of the app. Click on the various data to access the history page. You can view it in daily, weekly or monthly format. Heart rate history page. Sleep history page. Blood oxygen history page. The data from the bracelet test is immediately synced to the app. Bracelet settings page. You can set various functions of the bracelet. Switching dials. Set step target. Timed heart rate measurement settings. When turned on, your heart rate will be measured at regular intervals. Find the bracelet. The bracelet will light up the screen and vibrate. Remote photo taking. Need to get camera permission? You can control the phone at the bracelet to take photos. Do not disturb mode setting can be turned on all day or at regular intervals. Caller alert requires permission to answer and hang up. Message notification, phone notification, will be displayed on the bracelet. Sitting reminder, reminding you to get up and move around after sitting for a long time. Bright screen setting, you can switch on and off the bright screen and the bright screen time. Alarm setting, add an alarm to the bracelet. The bracelet will vibrate when the time is up. Anti-drop setting. The bracelet will alert you when it is disconnected from the app. Distance unit setting. Time setting. You can set whether to synchronize the time with your phone and the time system. Below you will find some information about the bracelet, as well as a list of updates. Thanks for watching.